relocate to America. Do you know why? February 4th, 2018. I was in my house. It was around 7:30 when I was attacked by my security guy àtàwọn yòókù ẹ̀. Toward the so-called herdsmen nísìnyí. That didn't make the news. Nobody knew about that. I was almost killed. February 2018. They came to my house, raped my girls, my PA. They were trying to rape me. See. Look at it. See. And I was pregnant at that time, which I didn't know. Hospital, but all shame it mo hospital. Ni mo mọ̀ pé mo lóyún. I was depressed. I was sad. Wọ́n ṣá mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo tún ṣe drive ara mi dé hospital. The police could not help. Everywhere tí n bá lọ gbogbo èèyàn máa ń jọ wọ́n fẹ́ attack mi lójú mi ni. Mo wá lọ dúró sí hotel daddy mi l'Óṣogbo. Ibẹ̀ láti máa shoot. Ibẹ̀ ni most movies tó bá shoot ní Òṣogbo tí máa ṣẹlẹ̀. So mo dẹ̀ láwọn iṣẹ́ tí mo ti gbangba yẹn. Hotel yẹn ni mo wá wà. Because ìgbà tí mo try láti padà lọ lé mi. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó tẹ̀lé mi that were supposed to protect me. And my PA that was raped. They were still trying to have sex with that girl. They started extorting me. They started collecting my money. One man came, oh, what of you? Why you picture me? What of you? Why supervising me? I paid. Oh, this marketer saw me at the police station at that time. Oh man, what's the police station? I want to any case. Our people here, they are another landlady. Don't attack. Walk back. One shower. Well, sinu. Ghana must go. Woman, was still low iboni. Kill offense me. Baba mommy, Baba bayi, wala American guy. My gate man saw that my husband and he bought a car for me. Oh, wá ṣe mi lẹ́sẹ̀ come tell mo nǹkan tó ṣe. Ó ṣá lóhùn lọ mi ó ṣá rí pé mi rí. And he's been doing like that. Bí ká wà nílé kó tì wá mọ́lé kó ṣeré lọ mo wá dẹ̀ tí ń bá wí. That's how he came with the other Fulani people. And that was how they came and attacked me. It was around 7:30. Unfortunately, Baba was there around. They started asking, where's daddy? Where's your money? Where's your good? Wọ́n ṣá mi. Èmi ni mo kọ́ mo bí mo survive. That didn't make the news. Mo kúrò ńbẹ̀. My daddy was dumbfounded because I lost 2 brothers within 2 years. Nígbà yẹn, àbúrò mi kú, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi kú. He was just happy that I'm alive. Pé oyin kí náà bá tún máa sọ. Ó tún ṣe jẹ́wọ́ náà wá ká mọ́lé. Mo dé gbá bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo stitches ara mi. Mo tún lọ location mo shoot. Because that was the only thing that could get me going. Tí má ti dá wà báyìí, mo máa rí flashes ni. Mo máa smell àwọn people yẹn. Mo máa feel bí pé mi kì í sùn. Wọ́n máa lo oògùn orun fún mi ní sùn. Mo dẹ̀ lóyún sínú. Daddy mi wá pàpà sọ pé okay mo máa pé bàbá mi báyìí àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé kíní kan èmi tí mi like wàhálà sọ́bẹ̀ sùn fapò rọrí bon lo kígbẹ́ bon la gbèrò mi kí n dé bẹ́ẹ̀ I'm too fine I want to be posh ju ẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo yẹn lọ what's my own. Nobody saw all that. Nobody write anything about that. Daddy bí wá ní kó má dàbí wọ́n máa lọ́mọ babaláwo ní má sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fẹ́ ní kankan má pariwo fẹ́yàn kankan mo ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá kan tó gbọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó sọ pé kíní kan àṣà dúpẹ́ kíní orí mi ni mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ pé ó kú wọn bá sọ pé kíní kan ọmọ méjì láàrin kíní kan ó tún ìwọ náà Ọlọ́run ṣáà ṣe òun ò kú. They were just happy that I'm alive because gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó attack níbẹ̀ ńgbà yẹn wọ́n pa wọ́n. and I had to deal with everything. I just stayed strong. Bàbá bá ti padà sí America gba ẹ̀mú tẹ̀ rántí. I was the only one. Àtàwọn àbúrò mi tó máa wá dúró tì mí ní hotel ọmọ Ṣọ̀run gbà yẹn. A lot of people tó rí pé mo wà lóòótọ́ ọmọ Ṣọ̀run, wọn ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe mí. Gbogbo ara mi ní stitches wà. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi wá decide pé Oyin, maybe you should travel, cook if you relax because of your baby. So when you go, you are traumatized. You don't sleep, blah 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 blah. So I decided to travel, not to stay. Move case here, only competitions the police station here. Can transfer Iyagoku SARS. The case is beyond police supposed to be with SARS. SARS below me. They will track your phone. I have to be paying them. I need to bribe the officer. I'll be bribing the officer to keep on investigating my case. My PA started telling me, "Auntie Oyinkan, ọlọ́pàá yẹn máa disturb mi pé kí n wá bá òun. Ó tún fẹ́ máa fẹ́ ọmọ yẹn, ọmọ tí mo sọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ fún yín." Bí mo ṣe abandon case yẹn nìyẹn. Later, ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá kan náà tún pè mí, òun lọ Ọ̀ṣun state, Ọ̀yọ́ state, kìnnìkan. He heard about my case and is interested, blah 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 blah. Next thing, tó náà máa sọ fún mi kí n wá round hotel. I have all their names, I have their number, I still have all the emails between me and all these police people. Mo wá travel. I was supposed to stay for a while. Then tí ara mi bá ti balẹ̀ kí n padà sílé. Mo wá rán àwọn àbúrò mi lọ lé mi. I think they want to pick something in my house. Mo wá find out pé those same people that came to attack me went back to my house. My gate wasn't broken. Because I live in a whole house, in a whole compound. Ring Road in Ibadan. They now went back to my house. Thank God I wasn't there. They now destroyed everything. The second day when I went back to my house with the police to take pictures and to, when I left the hospital, my blood was still all over the house. So they were supposed to go there, clean the house, and everything was scattered again. So we contacted the police. This is what happened. The only thing they told me was, that's why I told you not to stay in that house. And as a matter of fact, you need security. It seems now they are after your life. It seems you are not safe. Are you dating your security man? This is a guy I took everywhere. Sonny. He's a Fulani man. He drives around with me. Anytime I fit me back in location. I cook. We eat together. Timba lo anywhere. O ma wa ma ko pe ko ma ko dúró sínú ilé o ma wa board jẹ́ ká jọ ma lọ. Only maybe he's jealous that you brought your husband home. Maybe he's thinking he's going to marry you. He came with the other Fulani guys to attack me. Oh, I saw we are at war. Also, power Fulani power. You did not say anything about it. I remember a lady that was attacked. They killed the guy, the husband, and they took the lady for weeks, doing all sort of things with her. Before her family could pay them, they eventually killed the guy. The lady came out and said she was shocked that none of this is on the news. Because by the time she came back, she was expecting everything to be on the news. So a guy will make me relocate and be telling like pop off behind this blog. When they come out to write to me, according to the blog, a mini victim. So probably to pay me go more behind that post. Because the blogger is trying to. I'm not a victim of anybody. I'm not a victim of no. I'm a victim of my neighbor. I'm a victim of that country. I'm a victim of that. This is why I left. So if I'm not showing my baby, if I'm not showing my family, it's because I want to keep them safe. It's because I'm trying to. So stop all this. Let's stop it. There is a child involved. Stop all. Me, because you to come in my anybody. Change your life where you're fair, you're confident. But FMC cut me out. Leave my baby, leave my life out of this. Because àtàárọ̀ mo rẹ́rìn nígbà táwọn èèyàn ń pè mí Oyin I just want to check your Oyin what's up with you Oyin kìnìkan mo ní ibi ìbàlájọ máa wà smoothie lọ máa fi lo gist tó fẹ́ sọ ń pa mi tèmi gùn mọ́ ń pa mi yìí I was just laughing because it was nothing to me mo ní àbíbi tí mo jáde lọ lẹ́nu ilé ọkọ ti ya picture mi. And that was why every February it was February last year. So it was what I'm saying is ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tún pé bí 3 years ago ní nǹkan tí mo sọ fún tí mo ṣì jókòó báyìí tí mo dúró tí mo bọ́ra ẹni sọ báyìí tí mo ní èní ló pé 3 years that this happened to me and my life changed everything tí mo ní nínú ilé yẹn mi mọ bó ṣe ṣe dọ́là I only used my car for 3 months tí mo fi abandon everything I left like I'm coming back tí mo wá humble sí lóyìnbó bí báyìí tí wọ́n fi close down shop mi mọ anything pa ẹ̀ because mo ti wà l'America already kó tó tún lọ sínú ilé mi again kó tó wá rí pé dáàdi mi decide pé kọ́kù lọ kó gbogbo nǹkan ní ilé mi kúrò kan ti bẹ̀ẹ́ pa báwo ni mo ṣe máa decide láti lọ lé mo wá bímọ sí bíbá ìtàn màá tó wá gbọ́mọ yẹn padà lọ sílé nílé tí mo mọ̀ wípé ibo ni mo ń lọ náà tí bàbá ọmọ mi wà bíbá ẹ wá jókòó wèrè ẹ wá mú kọ́mẹ́ǹtì bẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀ 2 years ago bẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀ yẹ́ yìí ẹ wá ń tàgì ẹ̀ papọ̀ what's my drama with industry drama since when how long kí ló kàn mí báwo lè so tẹ́yìn bá jẹ́ mi tí bá jábúrò yín how will you be feeling right now reading all this rubbish about your sister tẹ́ bá jẹ́ family ọkọ mi báwo lè máa feel. Just because you want to make a post, just because you need the traffic. So I was attacked. That robber almost killed me, raped my girls. That didn't make the news. A lady was killed. Her husband was killed. That didn't make the news. That's not important. I won't cut on bar also. Adults méjì, wọ́n fẹ́ra wọn ṣe call anybody. So why do you have to put me in that again? And my baby. When it comes off me, maybe you are threatening. That's why you are debunking it. Maybe like kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú ó máa láti jẹ́ pé word as in to make sense for obìnrin àbí for any human. Wàá bímọ èèyàn kan máa ní kó lọ jókòó síbi kan tí ṣe pé married man ni mo bímọ fún. Ṣé married man ni tí n bá bímọ fún kí ló ti mi nílé come out and say it. Ṣáàrọ ni. So please, let's stop it. I'm doing this because the last time me sorrow, we both were at a railing. That time I felt bad at a point because èèyàn tó kọ́kọ́ sọ fún mi family bàbá bani lónìí until you mo repost yín bye and I felt bad like báwo lẹni yẹn ṣe ń fi jókòó ní máa ro lọ́pọ̀ pé ṣọmọ wa dé lọ́mọ ìlú òótọ́. Báwo lẹ fẹ́ kí bàbá ọmọ yẹn ṣe máa feel? Why? Is it not normal for a blogger to be like, okay, but yeah, if somebody came to you or you are randomly picking stuffs and you wanted to, because in time you're going to jail, I just want to congratulate you and I want to be sure this is right. No. Anybody knew. Yes, only secrets different people èèyàn tí mi wá rántí yẹ tó ti pè mí last everybody now started calling me àtẹ̀yìn àǹtí wèrè ẹ̀yin olóṣì àgbáyà industry tó pẹ́ ilẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wèrè yìí tó yẹ pé ilẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wèrè yìí tẹ́ máa ní ẹ kíní kan èmi kọ́ mo kó balẹ̀ ayé yín o táyé yín bá ń rùn tẹ́ bá ń ṣe nǹkan dọ̀tí ẹ try kẹ́ change way yín because má ṣe lògùn má mọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá ti ṣe ní kọ̀kọ̀ tẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kan kò sí gbàtà yóò ní gbọ́. So èèyàn fẹ́ra wọn èmi ò feel bí pé yẹn jẹ́ news irọ́ ni mi ò like láti kò ń ṣe bàbá ọmọ mi tó bá jẹ́ bàbá ọmọ mi kò sí nǹkan kan tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ló ti mo máa parọ́ yẹn mi mọ reason tó ṣe everybody ṣe feel bí pé èèyàn hold one explanation no but no problem tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ká máa explain fúnra wa ni I just make myself clear mo ti ṣàlàyé fún yín tó so if you are not there for me nígbà tó ṣá mi mọ́lé If you are not there for me, nígbà tí mo ti kúrò Nàìjíríà, tẹ́ ẹ bá mi béèrè pé oyin kọ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀ ń kọ́ ilé ẹ̀ ń kọ́ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbogbo, tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ bí mo ṣe ń fẹ́ látijọ́ tí mo ti dá Amẹ́ríkà yìí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, tí ayé yín ò bá fẹ́ bàjẹ́, tí kòrò bá fẹ́ wá sílé ayé, because mo máa ń try láti wà very peaceful, mo máa ń try láti rántí ibi tí mo ti wá. Ẹ má ti kàbọ̀ mí lẹ́nu. Stop all this. Stop ẹ. Ẹ stop ẹ. Torí ẹ̀yin lẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbà yẹn. Ẹ̀yin lẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Mo rántí dáadáa. Tẹ́ jókòó wèrè. Tẹ́ sọ pé oyin ni gist lover. So aláti sọpọ̀ náà kíní kan ní bàbá. Mo rántí dáadáa gbogbo yín ti ń settle down sí ẹ̀rọ pé ilé ayé yín máa dùn. Ilé yín ò ní dùn o. Ìkorò ṣì ń bọ̀ fẹ́yìn náà. Àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé tòótọ́ ni gbogbo tẹ́ ń sọ yìí. Àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé mi ni gist lover tí mo kọ story yín rí. Torí mi mọ̀ kí ló kàn mí àti yín gan-an, ṣé mo máa ń dá sẹ́ni tí ń pa yín ni? Kí ló kàn mí àti yín? Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o. Mo decide láti má dákẹ́ this time around because mi fẹ́ kó repeat ara ẹ̀ mọ́. If I had said something that time, ṣe mọ̀ kó máa fọ́ nísìnyí tẹ́lẹ̀ tún jáde ń sìn pé kíní kan again o, because it's the same thing, same random stuff. Thank you.